camera, definitely phone, plus a charger for any such device that you own. Toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, recommended medication which can help you cope. Sun cream and mosquito spray, enough socks for a new pair each day. Comfortable clothes that are right for the weather. Hiking boots, maybe mesh or leather. Makeup, deodorant, moisturizer, tissues, face masks, hand sanitizer, passport, travel documents and cash, and some tasty snacks in a secret stash. Bon voyage.